Is your Infinity alarm randomly triggering? It's a common issue often linked to the intelligent key system, proximity antenna, or hood switch. First, understand the core components. The intelligent key communicates via radio frequency, so a low battery or signal interference can be the culprit. The proximity antenna detects the key's presence within a few meters, and issues here usually stem from wiring corrosion or antenna misalignment. Finally, the hood switch alerts the system if the hood is ajar and often fails due to moisture or mechanical wear. To diagnose, start by checking your key fob battery. Next, inspect the hood switch for dirt or damage. If those look good, try the Infinity's proprietary app or visit a dealer for a diagnostic scan to check for codes like B10A2 hood switch or B1050 key fob. Remember, software updates released in mid-2024 and early 2025 address some false triggers, so ensure your car's software is up to date. For key fob issues, replace the battery with a high-capacity lithium-ion one. For a faulty hood switch, clean the contacts with electrical contact cleaner or replace it for about $150. If the proximity antenna is the issue, this might require professional help, costing around $300 for replacement. Nissan recalled over 100,000 QX80 SUVs for this problem, so check if your vehicle was part of the recall. You can also try resetting the body control module with a 10-second key cycle. Insert the key, turn to on, and hold the brake. Regular maintenance, like annual sensor checks, can prevent many issues. Future Infinity models are integrating AI diagnostics and biometric keys to minimize false alarms.